In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use alerts and reminders in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to get an alert automation up and running using one of Smartsheet's built-in templates. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to follow the prompts so your sheet can automatically notify the right people at the right time. Start by opening the Smartsheet you want to work with. At the top of the screen, look for the automation menu in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is your main hub for anything related to alerts, reminders, and other automated workflows. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the sheet view and that you have permission to edit automations. Once the automation menu is open, you'll see several options. To keep things easy, we'll use a pre-built setup. Click on Create from Template. Smartsheet provides a collection of ready-made automation templates designed for common use cases, like reminders for due dates, alerts when rows are assigned to someone, or notifications when key fields change. After you choose Create from Template, a window or panel will appear showing a list of available automation templates. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that matches what you need, such as a reminder before a task's due date or an alert when a status changes. When you've identified the template you want, click on Select. This tells Smartsheet which template you'd like to start from instead of building the automation from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to use this template in your current sheet. Click on Use Template. At this point, Smartsheet will load the template's default settings into your sheet's automation rules. This usually includes a trigger, such as a date or a field change, conditions that refine when it runs, and an alert or reminder action. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Smartsheet will guide you through choosing things like which column holds your date, how many days before or after that date the reminder should go out, who should receive the alert, and whether they get it by email, in-app notification, or both. Take your time to review each field so the automation reflects how your team actually works. When you're done, save the automation and make sure it's toggled on. Your alerts and reminders are now set up and ready to help you stay on top of your work in Smartsheet.